Hi guys, welcome back, and today we're doing another tasty treat. But guys, remember to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you can be first whenever we put out new content. So guys, we have our ingredients today. We have some Jamaican janga. We have all our ingredients, and today we're gonna make some stir fried rice jam dung style. So first guys, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna season our janga, and we're gonna have these parched, right? So we're gonna actually cook these first before we put them in the stir fried rice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna season this with some all-purpose, some fish seasoning, some pepper, and some garlic, and I'm just gonna go ahead and I have these cooked down. So I've gone ahead, season them, and I'm gonna rub the seasoning into our jangas because we want, to get that flavor in. So we're gonna rub that in, right? In Jamaica, we cook these with lots of pepper, right? So guys, our just scotch pan pepper is there, and as I said, anywhere in the world you are, you can season the taste, right? So we're gonna go ahead and heat up some oil, and then we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna add them in. Right, as I said, in Jamaica we call these crayfish or janga, but in other parts of the world you have different names like prawns and so forth. So guys, wherever you are, whatever name you give to these, you know whatever name they have, they taste pretty awesome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna have these cooked down. I am gonna cook these down until all the water that it made has dried out and they are pretty ready. Great guys. So as I said guys, don't forget to subscribe if you like our content. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment. Help us grow this channel. So guys, they are looking lovely, right? Pretty red, looking pretty nice. These are one of my daughter's faves. She loved these a lot. So guys, I'm gonna get ready to cook my stir fried rice. So I went ahead and I added my ground seasonings that I cut up. So these are some onions, bell peppers, scallion, thyme, and carrots, right? And I'm gonna have these sauteed for maybe about 3 to 4 minutes. Right, so guys, you can make your own stir fried right at home. It's not hard, it's pretty easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put these to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and add an egg, and I'm gonna go ahead and basically scramble the egg, and then once it is fully scrambled, I am going to go ahead and stir everything together. So all my ground seasoning, I'm going to stir that together. Once that is successfully stirred together, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add my rice. So this is some basmati rice that I had cooked and left in the fridge overnight. And basmati rice works well for stir fried rice, but you can use any rice of your choice. Right, so I'm gonna stir all that in, right? And remember, you have to keep on stirring this because you don't want it to stick to the pot. Great, so I'm gonna stir all that together, my ground seasoning, my egg, and my rice. Alright, so once that is stirred successfully together, I'm gonna add some grace mixed vegetables. And if you're from Jamaica, you know the grace mixed vegetable has everything. Corn, everything. It has string beans, it has green peas. So you know all the works, and I'm gonna stir all that in to our rice. Alright. Then I'm gonna add our main ingredient, which is our Chinese soy sauce. Right? So this is very important in fried rice. So you're gonna add your soy sauce, and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna stir that in. This is gonna give the rice the color you desire. Right? So you're gonna stir that in vigorously. Stir that in until you get the rice to be the color that you want it to be. As I said, it's pretty easy. Most people buy these at the Chinese store, but guys, you can make it at home. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. Right, so as I said, the main aim of stir-fried rice is just to keep on stirring that rice because you don't want it to stick. Right, so once I've added my soy sauce, I'm gonna add a little bit of fish and meat seasoning to that as well, right, just to add a little flavor. And I'm gonna keep on stirring, guys. As I said, you have to stir. I'm gonna stir that in to get that where I want it to be. Awesome, guys, it's looking lovely. It's coming on just fine, right? So great. So I went ahead now and I added my crayfish or my prawns, and I added some sausage, right? Because as I said, this is Jamaican style stir-fried rice, right? So I've gone ahead and I've added my sausage, I've added my crayfish in, and I'm gonna stir that in as well, guys. It's looking yummy so far and it's smelling wonderful. Awesome, guys, look at it, it's looking awesome. And then you're gonna season this to taste, right? Everybody has their way of seasoning, so you're gonna season the way you want it, and voila, this is to finish this. Guys, tell me, this looks really lovely. It's gonna taste really lovely as well, right? You can have this any day of the week. As I said, it doesn't take more than 20 to 15 minutes to prepare. You can have this for lunch, you can have this for dinner, any way you want, guys. So I just want you to go ahead and tell me, what do you think in the comments of this stir-fried rice Jamaican style? Guys, palm up the comment, tell me what you think. Right, guys, remember to follow us on Instagram at seananderson04. Sorry about that, Sean Anderson on Instagram, and dawkinstreanna on Instagram. Guys, can follow us on TikTok, Sean Anderson04. We have great content there as well.